What's going on? What's going on, YouTube? I'm back again. Just bringing y'all in on this 1988 Dodge Ram Charger I'm working on, aka Power Wagon. I want y'all to see exactly what I got going on with it. Still in the body work stages right now, doing my bumper deletes and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on, man. This is the 1988 Dodge Ram Power Wagon. Doing my body work now. Trying to get that thing straight. And did the bumper delete on the back of it already. As you can see. I already fiberglassed it in and everything. Primed it up, getting it ready to go. And I'm over here on this side now. I already did the other side. Trying to do the bed of the truck first. If I can get the bed done, then I can start on the cab. And of course, y'all know I had to weld up these holes and all that kind of stuff. So we had to tack the holes up. Because they got rid of the trim on this one as well. So that's why you see a lot of these little weld spots right here. And got the bondo already laid up on it. And of course, this one is going black in the inside. No engine in it. That's how we doing them. Just taking the engines out and doing them. All of mine don't have the engines in them. No engine. This is my next one after the Dodge Ram Power Wagon. This is my next one here. I think this is a 71 Dodge. So this is my next one I got coming to do. I'm gonna show y'all what the interior is looking like. She gutted. And she gutted all the way out. All this has got to be painted black because this truck is going black. So of course you know that body got to be straight. I'm going back, black carpet, black seat, black roof panel. And I think the rest of it they're gonna kind of leave with the little burgundy, and I think they're gonna have a little burgundy in here still. So I think they're gonna have the burgundy and black in the inside, and then just black on the outside. So everything will match up. But again, man, I be trying to bring y'all this on these videos I have doing these cars. Like I said, man, I got a lot of work through the coronavirus and all that kind of stuff, man. Even what's going on out here in the world, man, I'm still being blessed to able to have some work, man. Like I said, I got plenty. So, like I said, man, if y'all do like my videos, subscribe and hit that like button. And I sure appreciate y'all, man. And of course, I think y'all seen this one right here. This is one that I've done. She's looking good, man. Like I said, she just got a little wet sand and buff to do. That's about it on it. There's not a whole lot left on this one. Door jams under the hood. Everything has been done. And that's that satin black on the hood. Door jams, everything been painted too already. I already got up in there. All this is going black in the inside of this one too. So that dash has got to be done black. Headliner black. All the trim pieces going to be black. But like I said, man, we almost there with it. She pretty clean. I said she needs a little cleanup and stuff now. But like I said, gonna do a wet sand and buff when they get ready to go. But all in all, it's pretty clean. It's got a real nice color on it. Real nice color. I'm gonna take y'all to my bay where I do my upholstery and stuff here. But again, man, like I said, I like for y'all to hit that like button, man, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. That's nothing in something bills, AKNIS. So I appreciate it, man. Like I said, y'all stay up on it. I can show y'all how to do some of this DIY stuff. And if you need something, hit me up, email me. I can drop you my number or whatever like that. Try to get up in this thing so I can show y'all what's going on. This is my other little spot where I be doing all my upholstery stuff. That's an air ride kit going on the car we got. That's the door panels for that 1988. That's the seat for that 1988. And that's all my carpets for everything I got so far. I still got more stuff to come. That's everything that came in though for those cars I got, which is that 1974, that 71, and that 1988. All these Dodges. But yeah, man, like I said, man, y'all hit me up, email me, and let me know if y'all need some help with something. And I can get on that too. Like I said, I come out to pick them up and everything. And that's my little Ford right there. She looking clean. Just had it cleaned up. They ain't do too good of a job. But it is what it is, man. Like I said, man, like and subscribe. And like I said, y'all need anything, that paint, upholstery, and all that kind of thing, let me know. All right.